Oh wait, here's where it gets good. Everyone probably want to cover your ears. This thing is going to be so loud.
Wow.
Holy oh!
Look as she walks down the stairs.
I don't like those noises. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so tiny.
What did you think? I told you it was tiny.
Oh, it's such a
No! Porsche broke down. We were driving, first drive outside of the neighborhood, and it broke down. All right, off to a rough start. We'll get back to this tomorrow. Okay, so just starting with the interior here. Everything in here is just a little greasy, which really bothers me. And these leather seats and leather everything could pretty much use maximum work. This is broken, but I'm just starting by cleaning out the center console here. I mean, we've got some screws. We've got whatever that is. As you can see here, I've just got a magic eraser. This, don't mind the mess, this is quite a process. Carpet cleaner, soapy water, all-purpose disinfectant spray, and a toothbrush. And I've got my trusty vacuum that we're gonna start going to town on this thing with. And these are all just household items, especially the magic eraser is going to come in handy so much. And the carpet cleaner. All right, let's go. Stuff needs to come back in here. It's too cold out there. Okay, these are looking so much better than they did when we started. We cleaned them with the magic eraser. Now we did the leather conditioner on them, and they look almost brand new. So let's get moving on some other stuff. Today we are gonna be replacing the aftermarket stereo that we got going on in here. Would you look at that? Hopefully this little Alpine unit will just pop out and the new one will pop back in, but we will see. What's up guys, it's Luke Bonifant, changing my own oil. Got my glove on, got my filter here.